Yo, what's up guys, this is JM Watts here for another video. But before we get into that, first off I want to apologize for not updating or posting any videos lately. Been super busy the last several days or so, but I'm going to try to go ahead and try to get back on schedule once again as I said before, get back on schedule. So today it's just going to be a quick video here today. So as you saw here, that the cards are pretty much in new order, as you can see here, bicycle deck here. So today I'm going to be showing you the swivel cut here today. So, and just looks something like this. And as you can see, the cards are pretty much in the same order. And if you guys want to stick around for the tutorial and figure out how to do this trick and this sleight of hand, or whatever you want to call it, go ahead and watch the tutorial. Alright guys, so this is the tutorial on how to do the swivel cut here. So it's pretty much a false cut, one of the more common false cuts you'll see here in Magic as I perform it, as I was pretty sloppy, but yeah, this is like a misdirection sleight of hand trick that I always perform, or use it in a magic trick to fool people that I'm shuffling the cards, but not really. And it's pretty simple, and anyone can do this false cut here. So let's get started. So the first thing is that you'll hold it in, I believe what is called biddle grip. So as you can see here, I have my thumb at the bottom, and then my index and middle finger here at the top. And so what you're going to be doing here is that you're going to be cutting a third of the cards and then putting it into your other hand, your open hand. And then you'll do it again, take another third, and then instead of putting this top one in this hand, you're going to put the bottom, and then you're going to put it diagonal. So as you can see here, you can separate the two piles easily, because one is in a straight form and the other is in diagonal. So now you have pretty much 1, 2, 3 decks here, or piles. So now what you're going to do here is that you're going to take this middle pile off, slide it off, so you have this pile off, and then you're going to take the top one, swivel it out, put that on top, and then just put that on top. As you can see here, it's still in the same order, same thing. So it's pretty simple, anyone can do it, and I hope you guys can use it in your own magic tricks. And yeah, so I'll show you again one more time before I end the video. So biddle grip, just like this, take a third, as you can see, take a third, put it in the open hand, take another third, but put this bottom right here, put the bottom here, so try to show you guys, face it diagonal, slide the middle one off, swivel the top, put it on top, and then bam. And in real performance it should just look like this. And yeah, that's pretty much the trick guys. And that was pretty much it for this video here. If you like this video, go ahead, put a like down there, put a comment if you want, and share this video to your friends on how to do this trick, because anyone can do this trick basically. And I think it's pretty helpful, especially in doing your own magic tricks when you try to shuffle here as well. And yeah, and go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell as I get back to my regular schedule once again. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later.